good, YouTube? It's your girl, and I'm back with another video. Hey, come on now. Say it with me. Let's go. Because you didn't say it. It's... What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, and I'm back with another video. Oh, alright. Don't piss me off now. Don't fucking piss me off now. Okay, no, but for real, so. Okay, so in the last video, right? Well, was it the last video? I don't remember, yo. I need to stop smoking that. But anyway, so in the last video, right, I was talking about, like, you know, seductive, how to be, like, seductive and shit like that, right? So today I'm going to do a tutorial on doe eyes versus siren eyes. I'm also going to be explaining what that does to the nigga. Okay, I'm gonna be saying it all, okay? And I hope y'all enjoy this video, you feel me? Like, sit down, pay attention, get your notepad, get your chips, your pickles, your snacks. You feel me? Get your Lou, get your L, get whatever. Go ahead, I'll wait. You ready? No? All right. How about now? You ready? All right, where. Okay, so the main... I love this shit. Okay, so the main difference between the doe eyes and the siren eyes. Okay, so the doe eyes is more about, like, innocence. Like, you feel me? Like, it's more like innocent, like helpless, like, you know, like, that's what it does. And it sends a man into, like, a frenzy, right? So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna tell y'all kind of up. I'm gonna tell y'all what it be doing to... Ooh, hold on, wait. So like the doe eyes, right? Okay, so men like to be masculine, right? Men like to be in control. Men like to be, like, dominant. You feel me? Because, like, that's just what they are. That's just how they are. So, like, when we give them the doe eyes, like, they just fold. It's like they just want to, like, take care of us and just give us whatever we want, because it's like a submissive, you know? Like, doe eyes is submissive, siren eyes is dominant. Okay, so, like, it makes him feel like, oh my God, like, she's submitting to me. It makes him feel like, that man. It makes him feel like him, okay? It makes him feel like it makes them, like, melt for you. You feel me? Like, it's a whole different type of... I'm gonna explain the two differences, like, where the power, like, it's, oh my God, it's so much. And, like, bear with me. I'm trying to, like, keep my energy up. A bitch is tired. I was on the phone until, bro, like 6:30 a.m. 7. I don't fucking know. I'm tired. Anyway, so I'm gonna tell y'all know I'm gonna spill some tea at the end, like I always do. But anyway, so doe eyes is basically makes men feel like more in power. It makes them feel like more in charge. It makes them feel like, oh shit, like, it's kind of hard to explain. I'm trying to, like, find the exact words, because, guys, even though I be doing tutorials, y'all know I'm gonna keep it a buck every time. Some of this shit is hard to put in words, you feel me? Especially since I be coming on this motherfucking smack. I ain't gonna lie to you. Anyway, but yeah, like, so the doe is about soft and, you know, just submitting and just, like, you own me type vibe. You feel me? So how to do the doe eyes, okay? So the doe eyes is basically, like, you make your eyes big and you look up. That, and soften your face. That's literally it. That's it. And you have to hold eye contact. Hold eye contact. Make your eyes really big. Turn your head down a little bit. Look up, like you're helpless. Like, you need help. Like, help me. Like that. Like, I wish I could do it to y'all to show you, but it's hard. I can't do it to a fucking camera, bitch. But it's just like, you know, it's just like, help me. Like that. They love that. Yo, it makes them so weak. Like, something about being in control. You feel me? It makes them want to take control. Everybody here, get it out of... Oh, sorry. everything's a motherfucking song. Like, okay, but so now the siren eyes, right? The siren eyes is the complete fucking opposite. That's what makes men fold in a different way. It makes men fold in a submissive way instead of like a dominant way. You feel me? It like, siren is just given very much like, do whatever I say. Siren is like, I want to control you. Like, you feel me? So basically the difference is your eyes. Now, you have to remember when you're doing these things, you have to think what you want the whole time. You have to repeat what you want, how you want them to react, how you want them to react to you. And it's gonna fucking work, bitch. I swear on everything I love, bro. So siren eyes, like, those are the eyes. It's like, I want to rip you into like a million pieces. Like that. Like, I want to ruin your life. Like, and it just make men like feel weak. They just want to submit. They want you to take control. They want to do whatever you say. They get curious because it's like a dangerous look that you have in your eyes, and it scares them a little bit. It's a little intimidating because they're just like, I don't know what's the thoughts behind her eyes. Like, and their imagination's gonna run wild. Like, it's gonna run like crazy. Like, you see how my eyes are like low and like biting my lip, and I'm just like, bro. So what I do is, I say this on my live, so I'm gonna tell you again. My eyes are low, you know, and like the whole time I'm like thinking like, watch what I'm gonna do to you. Watch the things I'm gonna do to you. Like that. Like that's, and since I'm thinking that, it shows even more through my eyes. Like, I swear to God, like when you have the siren eyes on in your mind, when you're looking them in their eyes, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Like, you get what I'm saying? And then, but with the doe eyes, it's just like, I'm yours. Like, it's like that. You feel me? Like, it's just about power. And they are both very powerful places to be in. They're both very powerful places to be in because, so if you know about being like submissive and being dominant, like, even though you're submissive, you still hold, like, you truly hold the power because, like, I'm trying to find the words, bro. You truly, like, yo, I'm sorry. I'm just thinking of someone as I'm saying all this, so it's hard to get the words out, bro. It's hard to get the words out. Oh my God. Okay. When you're submissive, like, you just really have like power because you're giving up control. You feel me? You're giving them consent to like take control. Like, it's hard to explain. Y'all understand exactly what I'm saying though. But yeah, doe eyes versus siren. Siren is when you want to lead, when you want to take charge, when you want to make him fold like a pretzel because you're in control. The doe eyes is when, did I say siren eyes? Okay, wait, you know what I mean. I'm sorry, I'm tired now. The doe eyes is when, like, you know, it's just like, I'm submitting to you. You have control. You have power over me. And I'm just going to have to take it. Like that. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm in a frenzy. I'm in a frenzy. Like, there's this man, bro. I'm gonna talk about him. But anyway, yeah, guys. It's kind of really simple. You know, doe eyes, big. Look up, like, soften your face, like innocent, like, help me, like that. And then siren's just like, I'm gonna ruin your life. I'm gonna fuck your life up. Like that, like, you know, the little evil smirk. You feel me? He gonna fold regardless. Regardless, he gonna be like, yo, she got a hold on me. Like, what am I supposed to do? Suffer, nigga, suffer. That's what you finna do. You finna suffer up in here. But yeah. Period. And I hope y'all, I hope y'all understand. If there's anything else, like, more specific y'all want to know about, and, just comment it. Go in the comments. It's kind of self-explanatory, though. Like, it really is. Like, but yeah. Guys, I'm currently, bro, I remember talking about him in the end of my last video. He's still around. I tried getting rid of him. I did. I tried blocking him. I've blocked this man like 7 times. 8 times. But he's not hearing it, bro. Like, he's not. Like, he's not hearing it. He's so persistent. Like, this man will be like, bro, he was commenting on my fucking TikToks, bro. When I blocked him on everything, he went to my TikToks, and I guess he has a bunch of accounts, so I don't fucking know. But he was commenting on my TikToks and was just like wilding, unblock me now, answer my fucking phone call, da 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 da. Please don't make me act crazy. Don't make me act crazy. I'm just like, y'all know I like my man out of pocket. Y'all know that, but like. My problem is like the stalkers and stuff like that, whatever in the past, whatever, fuck them, they don't even matter anymore. But like, y'all know, like yes, it would make me laugh, and I would like, but like, I don't want them, so it's not really enjoyable. It's a little concerning because it's just like, what you finna do? But this one, I want all the smoke. I want to see what he's gonna do. I want to see how far he's gonna take it. Yo, this man is fucking crazy, bro. Like, hit me ups off of his friends' accounts, fucking, bro. He's like, I've never, ever, ever dealt with a man like him before. And we haven't even bumped parts. Like, we've just been talking, arguing too. We both like to argue, but, and it's the way we argue, bro. That shit is so, oh my God. It's not normal, bro. We're just not normal. But that's what I've been looking for. You feel me? Like, I don't like, normal is boring. I don't like that. I like crazy men. I say that all the time. Like, I need my men just as nuts as me. Because I'm out of pocket. You feel me? But, just blowing up my phone. Different numbers. No caller ID. And then so there's this thing you can do to stop no caller IDs. Like, you just do this, it's a setting, and it's just like, oh, silence unknown callers. He was like, turn that off. Turn that shit off. I'm like, no. I have to turn it off, though, but yo, this man is so crazy. Lord, I'm scared. I'm so scared, because he's tall and just muscular. Like, I know he could really break me in half if he wanted to. But he's so sweet with me. He's not gonna. But he's like really dominant too. Like, bro, he's so weird, bro. He reminds me of me. Cause like, y'all know how I'm like really submissive and really dominant. Like, I'm both. Like, I'm masculine and I'm feminine. I'm both. He's both too. Like, he's really submissive. Like, if I told y'all some of the stuff that he said to me, I don't think y'all would believe me. Like, I've never met a man so submissive in my life. But he's not like a bitch made submissive. No. Because he's just as dominant as he is submissive. Like, yo, he drives me insane, bro. Lord, send help. He don't want me being with anybody else. He don't like me hearing talking about like any ex, anyone before him, nothing. He don't like that shit. He don't play that shit. Like, he's just fucking crazy, bro. But that's my little You my little yeah. No, seriously, that's my baby, y'all. Like, oh my God. Lord, send help. Please, Lord, no. Guys, I'm scared. I don't want to fall in love. I really don't. I do, but I don't. Because y'all know how nonchalant I am, right? I don't really give a fuck. I don't. And that comes from years of me just being how I am. That comes with years of me just like putting a wall up. You feel me? Because I'm not trying to get hurt. Because when I love, oh my gosh, I will go to prison. Like, no hesitation, go to prison. Like, I will hurt you and me. Like, you feel me? But like, I don't want, that's something else that be happening to him. Like, his eye be twitching and shit. Oh my God, he's so crazy. Anyway, but like, yeah, like I'm just so scared to like fall in love like deeply because like once I do, you're not going anywhere. You're not. And it's weird because it's night and day. Yeah, I know. I don't care about, like, men like that. Like, I really don't. But, like, this one, if I, like, really, like, fully fall in love with this man, bro, I feel bad for him. It's going to take a SWAT team to get me off of him. But he's the same way, bro. When I try to leave, he's like, you're not going anywhere. Like, he's like, you're not. Like, I was seriously, like, mad at him for something, right? And he was like, his exact words, he's like, well, I'm not jacking that. So next subject. I'm like, what do you mean? I was like, I literally told you this is gonna be our last conversation. And he was like, no, it's not. He's like I said, I'm not jacking that. So how was your day? What you got planned for this week? I'm like, and I was serious. I was like, and he kept going and going for like a good hour. He's like, no. He's like, you're not going anywhere. I'm like, all right. I love that. Because, like, I'm so quick to leave a man. Y'all know me. I'm quick to block. What? I'm quick to block. But he doesn't let me do that. Nope. Doesn't let me block him. Doesn't let me not talk. Doesn't let me, like, leave him. Like, I genuinely feel like if we, like, once we meet and when we're in person, like, if I ever try to break up with him, bro, he's not going to have it. No, he's not going to have it. But that's what I want. That's what I want. Because I'm quick to leave. I've always been like that. I've always been quick to leave a relationship. What? I will threaten to break up with you every week. You feel me? Like, what? That's just how I am, which is awful. That's not a flex at all. That's not good. But he's not hearing it. So, yo, he was freaking out. Like, we're on the phone. He was like, unblock me. He was like, Justina, please unblock me. And I'm just like, no. And he started, like, screaming, like, not screaming, but like, because men don't really like scream, but like grunting and like begging and like, fuck. Oh God, bro. Send help. But hopefully this works out. If not, y'all know. I'll tell you. But I love y'all so much. And I hope you enjoyed the DOE versus, I'm so itchy. The DOE versus Siren Eye tutorial. And my little story time, my little update about my little yeah. Yeah. And if we're, again, I told y'all before, if we're serious, we're together for a long time, y'all are going to see him. I don't know if I'm going to say his name, though. But, I don't know. I don't know. But y'all going to see him. Y'all going to see him. Y'all going to know about it. Because he's so... He's just everything, y'all. But anyway, I love y'all so much. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.